Behold, as we observe the human hyenas in their natural habitat. They are chatting away about something pointless, I'm sure. But they don't seem to mind, because, like hyenas, they like to chat and laugh a lot. Now you can see all the boring people gathering at the common bench in Emporium. They are quite boring, and I do not wish to observe them any longer. Behold, as the young lover prepares his love song for the springtime. He seems to be singing to the lake. See now, there is a family by the lake, and I'm pretty sure the kid wants to jump in the lake.